Now we'll be going over the room tour, H204. First up, we have our eye wash station and safety shower. To use the safety shower, pull down on the yellow hook, and then once done, push back up. Here we have our fire blanket. Our biohazard bin, gloves, fire extinguisher, and our first aid kit. Here we have our broken glass cardboard box, and next to it is a tornado shelter area. Now I will show you the locations of the fire extinguisher, fire alarm, and our emergency exit. To retrieve the fire blanket, pull the door and then pull the tab out, and the fire blanket will roll out. If anyone is engulfed in flames or has clothes that is on fire, take the blanket and wrap the person up in them. It is intended to smother the flame. This concludes our lab safety contract guidelines as well as our room tour.